let's change your Apple ID country and region. Now, if you find that a specific app is not applicable or available in your country or region, or you've just moved to a different country or region, you can always change that and change it back. You'll be able to change it to whatever you want. So to do that, let's head into our settings and we'll tap on our name at the very top. From here, we'll tap on Media and Purchases, and then we'll tap View Account. Now, on here, you can see your Apple ID, family sharing, and in the middle of the screen is Country and Region. So we can tap on that, and this will pop up with a thing saying you can change your country or region. Please note that you need a valid payment method for the new country. So keep in mind that you can't just change, say, to the United States if you don't have a United States-based credit card, debit card, PayPal, something like that. So I can tap Change Country or Region, and let's say I wanted to change, instead of the United States on here, I wanted to change it to the UK. Now on here, it'll say, agree to all of these terms, and hit agree. But the next thing that it will ask me for, agree. The next thing it will ask me for is a method of payment, because you need a method of payment in that specific country. This is how Apple prevents you from just automatically saying, hey, now my country is Brazil, when you're not even in Brazil. So you need to enter in a payment method for that specific country, and it needs to have a billing address in the UK. You can see here is all the billing address information that you need to enter in for the UK. So you do actually need to be in that country and have to have a payment method in that country to change your country or region. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.